Sir, if you just keep following me in there. Thank you.
Welcome. On yours.
Welcome to our workshop. I know that it's a little, well, it's a lot. To us, it's everything. I think you've met most everyone. You will, as a matter of time. You may call me Kembe. We've been waiting a long time for this moment. We've been waiting for you. And you're here. So who are we? We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics from forgotten places. Abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, wherever we find these relics, we bring them here to the workshop. Now to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but I want to clarify something. Some of this is new junk. So where a stormtrooper sees worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in our troubled times, preserving our past may ensure a future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Yes?
Yeah. Well, we give there's a new Jedi. Do you know her name?
Rey. Exactly right. Now where Rey is leading, it's the spark of hope we've been waiting for, which is why you are here. To look forward, to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes, by some of our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder with the force flowing between them. And today you will feel that connection. Alright, that's enough of that. Let's begin. We start with the most important element of any lightsaber, the kyber crystal. It is able to focus the energy of the force. The crystal magnifies the force. Some call the crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. You may know these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. Blue. Wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal. Rare, beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red. It has been called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. Now it is time to choose your kyber crystal. I want you to close your eyes for me, indulge me. Close those eyes and take a deep breath. Now, in your mind's eye, I want you to picture your crystal. Which color is calling to you? Which color do you see? Which color is yours? I want you to choose that color in your mind. And to remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now open your eyes and take your crystal. Well done, everyone. You've chosen your crystals. Now these places right here on the crystal holder in front of you. Right here. There we go. Now it's time to join your crystal with the saber design that you have selected. We begin by building the hilt, which is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is your center of control. Also the place that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Yeah. Now inside these boxes you can find the lightsaber components that you have chosen. You have the chassis, the emitter, pommel cap, and the activation plates. Building a lightsaber is a journey, and just as you chose your crystal, you will also select each and every part of your own unique lightsaber. The gatherers are here to guide you through this process if you have need of any assistance. Let's build.
Welcome, travelers. My name is
Austin. I'll be helping you do build today. Start building a piece of chassis that you have in front of you. When holding your chassis, make sure these lines are pointed towards the sky, because that's the direction which your blade will emit. Next, go and pick up those kyber crystals that you have chosen. And these are going to go directly into the center of your chassis. When it's in the center, it should lock into place, light up, and you can spin it around with your thumb. And if you need any assistance, feel free to let me know, because this is one of the more challenging parts of your build today.
Still holding it for some reason.
You spin around with your thumb in there. Fantastic. Perfect. So now we're going to move all the way to the right-hand side of your box, where you see two sets of activation plates there. You can choose either one of those two sets. Just make sure the pieces don't mix and match. You'll see one has a red square and one has a blue square on the inside. Those are going to line up with the red and blue squares on your chassis. So red goes to red and blue goes to blue. They'll snap directly into place.
I'm going to insert it like so. Once it is entered, once you have both plates on, you will then look for activation.
That crystal sparks nicely for you. Fantastic. Just check your crystal inside there. Fantastic. So now we're going to move all of that to the left-hand side. You're going to see 4 grips in front of you. You're going to be choosing 2 of those grips, one for the top and one for the bottom. You'll notice each one has one edge that's slightly thicker and raised compared to the other. That's the portion that will go towards the center on either end. Since this precious scrap metal to put these pieces on squeeze the center of the chassis, and with a slight bit of pressure, twist it till it's snug. As soon as that piece is snug, it is all the way on.
And just make sure you do the thicker lip first.
I'm going to check it for you.
Very nice. One more grip.
There you go. So now you choose one for the top part as well.
See what these look like.
Alright, next is your
Now you choose one of these 2 emitters. That's going to go to the top of your hilt there. Those are the pieces that where your blade will come out of when activated. Perfect. Now you choose one of these 2 emitters to go on the top of your hilt. That's where your blade will come out of.
Alright, all you need is one emitter.
And then last but not least, one of those 2 pommel caps to go on the base. That's going to store the power source for your hilt.
You don't want to forget the pommel cap. The blade will emit the wrong way. Perfect, travelers.
Very nice build, may I? Thank you very much. Nice choice in that Rancor tooth there. So this right here will be your activation switch. When Kenbei lets you know, just slide that switch forward to activate today.
Take it inside of your waist, sir. Right side. I do recommend going with your first instinct.
Very nice build, may I? Thank you very much. Beautiful. My personal favorite of our styles is elemental nature. Protection defense here. This right here will be your activation switch. When Kenbei lets you know it's time to activate, just slide that switch all the way forward. You're very welcome. It's a pleasure building with you today.
Singing to me. You know what this is? What's that?
Take it inside of your waist.
Rancor too?
Fantastic.
I had a feeling you
Very
would
nicely
know.
made.
Well done.
There it is. These are some of the most ancient pieces that we discovered.
Fantastic building with you guys. Do we remember how to activate our sabers? Yes. By pushing up. Alright, it's a pleasure, guys. Of course.
Power and control, peace and justice, elemental nature, protection, defense. This is the first of many important decisions that you will make. Now everyone focus on your lightsaber and take a deep breath. We've all completed our builds, and nothing dramatic happened. But now it's time for the most dangerous part of the build. Stabilizing the crystal for activation. Step back for me, please. Step back away from your station so the gatherers may go through. The gatherers are placing your hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. This must be done very carefully, and by those with expertise and training in this field. Now we have reached the final stage of what has happened.
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. Ah, indeed, it is time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask you to step forward, place your hand on the completed hilt, and then all together we will activate. Are you ready? Yeah. Then step forward, place your hands on the hilt, and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith that came before you, and like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your lightsabers, we are pleased to provide a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey, it's just beginning. It is time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers that you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time we may be telling your story. Till the Spire.
Till the Spire.
Thank you for joining